Good afternoon, everyone. I'm very happy to send my greetings from General Santos, especially to my mentor, Dr. Amoroso, and to my co-mentees. Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Do dili man ako maka-appeal kaninyo physically, pero ang akong kasing-kasing o ang ako ang presensya pinaagi sa advancement sa atong teknolohiya. I am forever grateful to say and share my part how grateful I am to Dr. Amoroso. The knowledge that we gain from you is not only limited to the scientific dimensions and limited in the four corners of the classroom, but what makes me forever grateful was the life skills that you shared to all of us, for us to remain humble, for us to be productive global citizens, and for us to share what we have for the people and for the generations to come to appreciate. Dr. Amoroso, you are not only our mentor, but also our father figure, especially when we were in the university. Sir, taos puso po ako nagpapasalamat sa inyo at sana po gabayan pa kayo at bigyan ng maraming blessing, more knowledge, more wisdom, longevity, and comfort. At sa lahat ng mga kasama kong mentee kay Dr. Amoroso, sana po sabay-sabay po tayong magpasalamat sa Panginoon na binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon to celebrate life, to celebrate being one another. And I hope this is just the beginning of a better collaboration for all of us to work for good, not only for our society, but for the country and the world as well. Again, Dr. Amoroso, maraming salamat po ang aking snappy na pagpupugay at pagmamahal sa inyo. Magandang hapon po.